Okay, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, I wanna explain about my thesis proposal, Western Perspective in Blood Diamond movie. First of all, this thesis proposal will be divided into 3 chapters. The first is introduction, the contents of background of the study, statement of the problems, scope and limitation of the study, goals of the study, function of the study, and systematical presentation. Background of the study contains description about general issue, object of the study, and reason for choosing the topic. The problems to be analyzed are formulated in the statements of the problem, which are then narrowed in scope and limitation of the study. Goals and function of the study justify the objectives of this study and the advantage gained from it. Result, systematical presentation is intended to ease readers to map the contents of this study. Chapter 2 consists of related studies, review of literature, and theoretical framework. In the related studies, the writer explains the similarities and differences between this study and the other studies quoted in this chapter. In addition, some theories and opinions from various experts in postcolonialism theory are quoted and documented in review of literature to support the analysis. And the last chapter is a research methodology consisting approach of the study, data source, data collection, and method of data analysis. To conduct a study, the right approach needs to be chosen. It is described in the approach of the study. Data source describes of the object of the study. In data collection, the steps of collecting data are explained. To give description about how the collected data are presented in data finding and analysis. The way of presenting and analyzing data is explained in the method of data analysis. So, we start in the chapter 1, background of the study. Literature is kind of human works. It is classified to variety of forms such as prose, poetry, drama, and non-fiction. And I choose a film for my main object because as the new form of literary works, I consider many reasons to analyze the movie. First, movie is a popular culture, which means it is also popular consume. And second, movie presents human life and it can influence the society around the world. And the third, movie presents the filmmaker ideas, works, and issue. On the other hand, it can be media study about the culture, history, religion, and else. Okay. Why I choose Blood Diamond movie? It's because it's really interesting and it related with post-colonialism theory and has the perspective Western as colonizers, like the topic in my thesis proposal. And then I will tell about the statement of the problem. The statement of the problem has two kinds. The first is how to find Western perspective in Blood Diamond and how to find post-colonialism theory on Blood Diamond. In this research paper of Blood Diamond movie, I analyze Western perspective in Blood Diamond movie, also finding the post-colonialism theory in this movie. The goals of this study is to describe Western perspective in this movie and to find colonialism theory in this movie. The function of the study is to be an additional reference to other researchers who are interested to analyze post-colonialism theory. and to encourage students on analyzing movie, especially with post-colonialism theory. Now we go to the chapter 2. This is a related studies, review of literature and theoretical framework. In the related studies, I choose two journal from Buyung Ade Saputra in his thesis entitled Blood Diamond Movie Through Post-Colonial Lens. And the next is Chadipa Diaksa Prawara with his thesis Orientalism as Portrayed in the Karate Kid movie. Okay. And the next is review of literature. The first is postcolonialism as a theory in literature. Postcolonial is one of the theories that can be used to analyze literary work. Based on glossary of literary terms, Abrams tells that nature of canon formation and opposition to establish literary canons has become leading concerns among critics of diverse theoretical viewpoints, whether the deconstructive, feminist, Marxist, post-colonial or new historicism. Okay, and then next is theory of post-colonial. I use post-colonial as the main theory. The theory is a main theory that is used for analyzing Blood Diamond. It means I choose Blood Diamond movie to analyze a post-colonialism as the main theory. Next, about movie theory. Relating the research, which is the movie, I applies to support the analysis as Kowalski explained. The dialogue and image portrayed in the sequence picture of the movie, captured in how the film engaged and illuminated profound questions regarding the human conditions. And the last of chapter 2 is theoretical framework. In this research paper, I used Edward Said's view, which is Orientalism, as my post-colonial theory, as the main theory, of course. And I also use the movie theory to analyze Blood Diamond movie. So it means I watch the film first and I applies to make a relation with the post-colonial theory based on Edward Said. And the last chapter, it contains research methodology, approach of the study, data source, data collection, and method of data analysis. In approach of the study, I using qualitative approach because it is more available for any possible of information in the object of the analysis. It means the data are collected by watching the film, and this data are a part of qualitative data as they are in word forms, not numeric. And for the data source, this data taken for this analysis from Blood Diamond movie, which released on 2008. The data are divided into two kind as the main data and supporting data. In the main data, I take from the movie include characteristic, plot, setting, and the synopsis. The second, the supporting data taken from the electrical source like book, journal, and any reference that is relevant to support the main data. So the data collection, documentation is the method of collecting data in this paper. I watch the movie repeatedly and intensively to more understand in the every element and cinematography. Then I collect the data that are proper to be analyzed. There are the script and the screenshot. Also, I find the supporting data such as book, journal, that are connected to the main data. And the last method of data analysis. The data have been collected from Black Diamond movie. First, I identifies the Western perspective in the movie. Then I applies post-colonialism and movie theory. And the third, I select the data that proper to the research questions. And the last, I classifies the whole data source. I think that's all about my thesis proposal and also my video. Thank you for seeing. My name is Indiarto Wahyu. Thank you.